Welcome at the RTS Guru. Today we are going to learn Unit 2. The title of Unit 2 is Let's Check the Flight Number Again. In this unit you will learn the following: how to talk about, how to report event, how to check details. Here are the words you will learn to use: accident, again, always, bell, bored, boring, check, excited, exciting, frightened, frightening, interested, interesting, never, once, right, not wrong, ring, say, sometime, student, surprise, surprising, tell, tired, tiring, trophy, twice, wrong. Here are some phrases you will learn to use: a bit, three time, be late, be early, on time, a long time. Here are some sentences you will practice. Tell John I will be late. What did you say? She said she would meet us at 11. He said he will be late. You said you were working late. The bus is late. Shopping is tiring. She is tired. The bus is always on time. Let's move. Say ah. Picture 1. Picture 2. Tell John I'll be late. He will be late. Grammar tips. The new structures used in this unit are reported speech, present and past participle used as adjective, adverbs of frequency. Picture 1. You say say you love me. I love you. What did she say? She said she loves me. Picture 2. Accident. What happened? I had an accident. What did you say? I said I had an accident. What did he say? He said he had an accident. Trophy. I came in first. I won a trophy. Sorry, what did you say? I said I came in first. I won a trophy. What did he say? He said he came in first and won a trophy. Picture 6. Please tell Kevin I'll be late. I missed my train. What did you say? I said please tell Kevin I'll be late. I missed my train. What did he say? He said he will be late. He missed his train. Let's repeat this. This time we will read and learn. And to practice, picture 1. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. And the following pictures. Picture 6. And the following pictures. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Lunch is at 12 o'clock. He said lunch is at 12. I said lunch was at 12. Picture 2. I will meet you at 11. She said she will meet us at 11. Didn't she say she would meet us at 11? She did. She said she would meet us at 11. Picture 3. I'm working late tonight, dear. Dad won't be home for dinner tonight. He said he is working late tonight. You said you were working late tonight. Yes, but I have a headache, so I come home. Let's repeat this. Okay, read from picture 1 and the following two pictures. Picture 2 and following these two pictures. Picture 3 and following these two pictures. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. Ring the bell. He's ringing bell in this picture. Picture 2. Now they are waiting. Picture 3. Ring it again. Now he is ringing again. Again they are waiting here in picture 5. Picture 6. He's about to ring again, but there is a man. Hello, how can I help you? 7. Picture 7. We rang the bell 3 times. Once. Picture 9 twice. Picture 10 3 times. Picture 4 11 times. Oh, picture 11 4 times. Yes, a little bit confusion. Picture 1. You read it. Picture 2 3 4 5. Picture 6. Read the following. Picture 7. Picture 8. Picture 9. Picture 10. Picture 11. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1. Picture 1. What does time the bus come? I will check the timetable. Picture 2. The timetable says it comes at 5 past 10. Picture 3. But it's 5 past 10 now, isn't it? Picture 4. It was late yesterday too, so it's late again. Picture 5. It was late on Wednesday and Thursday and Monday too. It's late every day, so it is always late. Picture 6. The timetable says the bus come at 3:05. It's 3:05 now. Here comes the bus. The bus is always on time. It comes at 3:05 every day. It never late. Picture 7. The timetable says the bus comes at 25 past 4 p.m. It's 24 5 past 4 p.m. now. The bus is not here. It was here at 4:25 past 4 yesterday. The bus is sometime late and sometime on time. Now you read from picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, and the following these two pictures, picture 7, and following these two pictures. Let's move to the next one. Will not. Okay, its contraction is want. Short, long. The string is too short. The string is too long. Picture 2. How long have you been here? I have been here for 2 hours. Picture 3. How long has it been there? A long time. Picture 4. The next train won't come for a long time. Picture 5. Goodbye, Harry. Goodbye, Rick. Picture 6. I haven't seen him for a long time. Picture 7. Hello, Dick. It's good to see you again. Picture 8. Hello, Harry. It's been a long time, hasn't it? How have you been? Good, good. How have you been? Picture 9. I'm good now. I was sick for a long time, but now I am better again. That's good. I'm glad you are better. It's your turn to read. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, Picture 6, Picture 7, Picture 8, Picture 9. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1. This is interesting, isn't it? No, I think it's boring. Picture 2. Frightening. Picture 3. Frightened. Picture 4. Surprising. Picture 5. Surprised. Picture 6. Shopping is tiring. And the following picture is she is tired. Picture 7. The game is exciting. The following picture shows he is excited. Let's repeat it again. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, and the following picture, picture 7, and the following picture. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. The teacher is boring. The student is bored. Picture 2. The teacher is boring. The, the teacher is very boring. The student is very bored. Picture 3 right. Picture 4 wrong. Picture 5. Hi Wills. Yes, that's right. Mr. Wills. Yes, that's right. Picture 6. Is that 9494956? No, sorry, wrong number. This is 9494965. Let's repeat it. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, and the last one, picture 6. Let's move to the next page. The Bensons. Where are Kim and Sue? They said they were arriving at 8 o'clock and it's 8:30 now. Picture 3. It says flight 421 arrived at 8 o'clock. What's happened to them? I don't know. Picture 4. Did you bring the letter, Peggy? Yes, it's here. Picture 5. It says arriving at 8 o'clock on flight 412. But there it says flight 421. It's the wrong flight number. Let's check. Picture 1. Repeat it. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. Let's move to the next page. Picture 7. Flight 412. Yes, it's arrived at 8 o'clock tonight. Tonight? We will go home and come back tonight. Picture 9. The Benson family arrive at airport again. Let's check the flight number again. Yes, flight 412 landed at 8 o'clock. It's 10 past 10 now. It's 10 past 8 now. Picture 11. Jim. Hello, Kim. Good to see you again. Hello. How was the flight, Sue? It was good, but sometime boring. Let's move. Picture 1. Repeat it. Picture 7. Picture 8. Picture 9. Picture 10. And picture 11. And picture 12. So this is it. This is all about this unit. We will meet in next unit in the next video. See you then.